gonna make some carrot juice. Carrot, ginger, and lime. So we just finished juicing, and I want to show you what we have. So here is all of our carrot juice, which is fantastic. And here's the pulp. Now I had 2 containers of pulp. 2. That's a lot, right? So I really don't want to waste this. So some of the ideas, number 1 is I make my dogs dog food. So I use carrots. And what I do with those carrots is after I juice, then I just put it in a plastic bag and I freeze it, because then I can pull it out and I can make my sweet dog's dog food. All right, so let's see how much goes into a glass jar. Pretty good, right? That's 1 big one. I could use a little container. If I want a quick drink, a quick shot, or I have this, right? I could fill this one up, and I could also take this with me. It's a grab and go size as far as I'm concerned. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna go ahead and take this and we're gonna strain it one more time. I know that might be a little bit high maintenance for some people, but when I'm juicing, I like to have pure juice and I'm not into the grainy stuff. All right, so that's just me. You can leave it in there. Leave your pulp in there. No big deal. So we'll move on to that step.